How to Become a Social Media Manager, a comprehensive 7-step guide. Are you interested in the exciting world of social media management? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a comprehensive 7-step process to help you become a successful social media manager. This growing field holds a lot of opportunity and is specifically well suited for people who desire fun and creativity in their work and possess exceptional communication skills. In addition, social media can be a great way to connect with people from all over the world and learn about the different cultures and perspectives. Now, I've been working in social media for over 15 years, and I can tell you firsthand, it is a lot of fun. This video is part of my Secrets of a Social Media Manager series, so be sure to check out the other videos to learn what it takes to make it in this competitive field. Okay. We have a lot to cover with this one, and my intention is to help you navigate the quickest path possible to help you land your next great gig. Now, I created a social media manager checklist, and you can download that for free in the description below. In this video, I will define the role of a social media manager, discuss the salary expectations for this role, describe the kind of people that excel at social media management positions, and I will share my 7-step process to help you become a successful social media manager. First, let's define what is a social media manager. Well, a social media manager is responsible for developing and executing social media strategies for a company or organization. Now, the specific responsibilities may vary depending on the size and needs of the company, but the overall goal is to create and manage a successful social media presence that engages with the target audience and drives business results. Now, if you're someone who is creative, communicative, and passionate about social media, then becoming a social media manager could be a great career choice for you. And as a social media manager, here are some of the tasks that you will be responsible for on a daily basis. You're going to create and schedule social media content, obviously. This includes writing and editing blog posts, articles, social media posts, creating graphics and videos, and scheduling them to be published on the social media channels. Now, you're also going to need to monitor and respond to social media mentions. This involves keeping an eye on social media for the mentions of the brand or the company and responding to the comments, questions, and complaints in a timely and professional manner. You're also going to measure social media engagement. This involves tracking metrics such as likes, shares, and comments to see how well the social media content is performing. Next, we'll talk about the salary expectations for a social media manager role. Now, I'm in the US, so I can only speak to our monetary ranges. It might be different in your country. Now, the salary range for a social media manager in the United States varies depending on experience, skills, location, and the size of the company. And managers who have specialized skills, such as experience with social media advertising or analytics, can command higher salaries. Now, additionally, social media managers who work for large companies or in high-cost areas, such as New York City or San Francisco, can also expect to earn higher salaries. And according to ZipRecruiter, the average salary for a social media manager in the U.S. is $50,000 as of August 2023, with the typical range between $45,000 to $75,000. Now, entry level with less than 1 year of experience can expect to earn an average salary of $40,000. Mid-level with 3 to 5 years can expect $55,000. And senior managers with 7+ years can expect an average salary of $75,000. If you want to think hourly, think less than 1 year, you can expect probably $25 an hour. 3 to 5 years of experience, you can expect $35 an hour. And 7+ years of experience, you can expect an hourly rate of $45. So if you're interested in becoming a social media manager and want to increase your chances of getting a higher paying job, you should look into specific social media management training and certifications. Now, I will be opening the doors soon to my Social Media Pro Academy to help you level up and get paid. So click the link in the description below for the waitlist and find out more information. Let's talk about the kind of people that excel at social media management roles. There are many different people who could be suited to a social media manager position. However, some of the most common traits that make a good manager include creativity. Yes, social media managers need to be creative in order to come up with new and engaging content. And they should be able to think outside the box and come up with ideas that will capture people's attention. They also need communication skills, obviously. They need to be able to communicate effectively, both in writing and in person, and they should be able to write clear and concise posts that will resonate with their audience. They also need to be able to communicate effectively with other departments within the company, such as marketing and sales. Also, problem-solving skills. Social media managers need to be able to solve problems quickly and efficiently. They should be able to think on their feet and come up with solutions to problems that arise. They need organizational skills. Yes, social media managers need to be organized in order to keep track of the various tasks and responsibilities and be able to prioritize their work and manage their time effectively. Patience. Social media can be fast-paced and an ever-changing environment, but social media managers need to be patient and persistent in order to achieve their goals. And most importantly, passion. Social media managers should be passionate about social media and the companies they represent. They should be excited about the work that they are doing and be willing to go the extra mile. So if you have these qualities, then you may be well suited to be a social media manager. However, it's also important to have the necessary skills and experience. And to get you started, here's my comprehensive 7-step process to help you become a successful social media manager. Step 1, develop a strong social media foundation. Start by familiarizing yourself with various social media platforms and understanding their unique features and target audiences. Get hands-on experience by creating profiles and experimenting with different types of content. The platforms are always evolving, and you have to understand what works best and where. Step 2, hone your content creation skills. Ooh, big one. Great content is the backbone of a social media success. Now you need to learn how to create compelling visuals, write engaging captions, plan your post effectively, and don't forget to stay up to date with the latest trends and incorporate them into your strategy. Step 3, master the art of engagement. Social media is all about building relationships. Discover techniques to interact with your audience, respond to comments and messages promptly, and foster a sense of community. Engaging with your followers will boost brand loyalty and expand your reach. Step 4, harness the power of analytics. Ooh, dive into the world of data to gain valuable insights into your social media performance. Monitor those key metrics, leverage analytics tools, and use the data to refine your strategy for maximum impact. Step 5, explore paid advertising. To reach a wider audience, you'll need to leverage paid advertising. Learn how to create targeted ads, set budgets, and measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Paid ads can significantly enhance your social media presence and generate tangible results, which your upper management will love. Step 6, embrace that influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers can give your brand a powerful boost. Understand how to find and approach the right influencers, negotiate the partnerships, and measure the impact of the influencer campaigns. I actually made a whole video about this, so watch it later. Step 7, stay ahead of the game. Social media is ever evolving, and to be successful, you must stay updated with industry trends and changes. Join communities, attend conferences, and constantly learn from others in the field. Keep experimenting and adapting to the dynamic social media landscape. Now, employers often desire a degree or a relevant qualification in traditional fields such as marketing, and many social media managers showcase their skills through practical experiences and self-study paths. Now, taking an online marketing class like my Social Media Pro Academy course can help you build knowledge and real experience. And in general, you will want to show potential employers or clients that you have the skills to run a successful and strategic social media marketing campaign. Remember, this video is a part of my Secrets of a Social Media Manager series, so be sure to check out the other videos to learn what it takes to make it in this competitive field. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, watch the next video in the playlist for social media managers. It's full of tips, training, and real-world experience to help you be successful in your career. Now have a great day and keep making your social media marketing magic.